Hello everybody, it's Chris Lambert here. I've got a new unboxing video for you. Kind of excited about this one because I've been buying stuff for a while. I don't know what everything is, so we're gonna find out. So first, let's start with this one. I think I can tear that one open. Oh, okay. This year we decided to dress up as the Netflix Wednesday Addams series. So this is a wig that it's kind of too colorful, but this was supposed to be a wig for Enid in her werewolf form. So that's the first one. Then I've got this one that I accidentally ordered twice. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to take it out of here because I don't know if I'm going to return it. But this is Wednesday's Nevermore Academy. Got some rips in it. Nevermore Academy uniform. This one's in a size large. The one I'll be using is medium. You can see it's black and gray. Has a nice sweater. Comes with a shirt, a skirt, and a tie. That one I already opened. It was supposed to be the blue one, but I got in a rush to get an Amazon Prime. I ordered a black and gray by accident. So let's see what this is. This was delivered to a neighbor of mine who was nice enough to bring it to my house. Thank you for doing that. I occasionally get a package from a neighbor and I'll drive it over to their house and deliver it to them. So let's see what's in this one. Now this one comes from Luna Moon Gothic, Salem, Massachusetts. Wonder what that could be. This one I think came from Etsy. Oh, this black package. Black paper, nice. Oh, and it looks like we got Valentine's Day sucker, thank you. And some Skittles. Valentine's Day Skittles. I know one of these said it came with treats. So here we go. Here we have the Wednesday necklace. The W, you turn it upside down and it's M for Morticia. I really don't want to take it out of here, but you can see. Because it's not for me. And there we go. Here's a postcard I got from them. We got a Herman Munster thanking us we got Charlie Brown. Okay, that came nice Halloween colors, black and orange. So yeah, I thought I got this necklace and gave it to the person playing Wednesday, but I checked my email and it said I hadn't received it, and I got another freebie. I don't know what it is. Some kind of gothic moon. I don't know if these are three witches. Looks like the witches from that movie. I can't remember what it is. That's really nice. I guess these are all freebies. Thank you. Appreciate that. That was a Disney movie, I think. Everybody's seen it on Halloween. Does this one have a tear? I don't see the tear. This is my Walmart Power Deluxe tool. Open this one. Let's see what's in here. See if I can tear that open. It's tough plastic. Yeah, what do we have here? What is this? Okay, these are some socks that I bought for Wednesday's brother Pugsley. They came in a 3-pack. They're long, like knee socks. I'm still waiting for the uniform coming from Etsy also. So that's nice. 3 pairs of knee socks. You gotta, I don't know what that is. Soccer ball? I don't know what that is. So I think I have 5 costumes so far and working on it. This one I just received in the mail today. Final one. Can I open it somewhere? Oh, I don't want to damage anything. This tough plastic they use is kind of rubbery, hard to cut. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we've got the thing. So I ordered more than one of these, so everybody who gets a costume will have one. This I think is latex rubber. Said it was resin. I don't want a hard one. I want the soft bendable ones. They have these come with also wire inside, so you can bend them into different poses. So that's it. Mostly Halloween, early Halloween, so that I have plenty of time to get all my costumes and be prepared well in advance this year, and not have to pay high prices at the last minute. So there we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because I got a lot more stuff I haven't unboxed yet. See you soon.